I'm sorry last time for the inconvenience of all the light, and this time. But today, we're going to do the rest of the matches in the second round. And I think my grandma is going to judge them. You will sit here and judge how big of a bonus they should get and all that stuff. Okay. So we have on Schlibberhead versus Octagon.
Whoa!
I think he should get a bit of a bonus for that. That was a good throw for on Schlibberhead. Usually he's not that good. Then, okay, then I guess we know our winner. So he wins.
How many beats do you have?
A lot. So this is Wrecked World Record versus Raptor. Okay, so Raptor! Oh, he hit the ceiling.
Oh, man.
He almost hit the ceiling. I think he hit the wall, though.
Yeah, he hit.
Oh, we have
almost got Lulu.
Okay, yeah.
She's thirsty. She had to get a drink of water. Oh, Dad said I was supposed to put Gatorade in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
But they need that. Or I forget.
Okay, so we have.
How many did you say to put in there?
I don't know. I didn't listen. So that was a bad run by Skyscraper. Now Saturn Rocket.
Maybe I'll put all of these in. And then he can.
Saturn Rocket. Oh. So he is eliminated. Now SS Explorer versus Slice. If SS Explorer wins, then he's going to be against Saturn Rocket. That might be tough. Oh, barrel roller. Both barrel rolling. Looks like the SS Explorer is farther though, so. Okay, Tiny Tim versus Thunderbolt. I believe in you, Tiny Tim. It's gonna be hard in Thunderbolt. Ugh! Oh, that's a big stunted bonus. Come on, Tiny Tim. I believe in you. No, he lost because of the Thunderbolt's bonus. Dang it. So, Ultimato versus the White Tiger. Because, yeah, if the White Tiger was blue, then I would be like, yay! Oh, wow, that is actually very, very, very good. Better than I thought he would do. Ultimato! Yeah! Oh. Not stunty enough, even though he landed in the winner's spin. Okay, and the winner is the White Tiger. So the White Tiger, come over here. So that means we will have one wild card, and that will be him.
Oh, well, that's. He will not. He's not a good one.
No, he's actually very good. Usually. He's not doing very good this time, but. Okay, so we have 100,000 foot flyer. Actually, we'll do 2 more matches. Maybe we'll do just this match, and then we'll come back next time for the.
Is that Mom's computer or Dad's?
It's Mom's. Oh. Dad's computer is permanently in the office. Oh wow, that was a good. Yeah. Oh, that was actually pretty good for
the one in the kitchen won.
Yeah, obviously. So he is in the Elite 8. No. Oh.
What's going on? Ooh, what's going on? Here.
So we'll come back next time with another video. Sorry for the delay. Goodbye.